Hello, everyone.
So creepy. Hello, everyone.
That'll be good.
Hello. We're in the Hero Square in Krakow, where they put up 33 empty chairs that are in memory of the Jews that died here during World War II. And at the end, they have like a symbolic gate with the dates 1941, 1943, when the Jewish ghetto was really operating here the most. So this is actually also the center of the old Krakow ghetto for all the Jewish people. This is basically where they all gathered, and there were originally 3,000 people living in the area, and then during the war times when they were all pushed into this small space, there were 20,000. So that's crazy. We're standing at the ghetto wall fragment in Krakow. This is like the last remaining piece of the wall. We're actually at the Oskar Schindler Factory Museum, and we just came to buy tickets for tomorrow. They actually let us in for today. So the permanent exhibition is called Krakow Under Nazi Occupation from 1939 to 1945. If you don't know anything about Schindler, the movie Schindler's List is based off of him, a real person. He operated here. He would give the Jewish people a job so that they wouldn't be killed. We just finished up at the Oskar Schindler Museum. It's not as much about his factory as it is just the Hitler invasion in Krakow for the whole war from 1939 to 1945. So it even highlighted like a little bit up to the war.
It was just pretty much World War II. I mean, just went over everything in World War II. Alright, so I just smacked Ashley in the face with the camera. It's a new day, and we are excited.
Okay.
Ashley got into a bit of an altercation with the camera, but it's okay. The camera's fine, she's fine. So we're getting ready to walk to
Wawel Castle.
Wawel Castle, not Waffle Castle like I say it, but Wawel. And it's a nice walk. We just got off the tram, we're just heading there right now.
We just went through the ticket line. It took like an hour and a half. We didn't get tickets to the royal apartments today because they were already sold out, even though they've only been open for 2 hours. But we got tickets to the Dragon's Den, Lost Wawel, and the Crown Treasury and Armory. And then the cathedral's free, so we're gonna go on in there too. We are headed to the Dragon's Den. I cannot believe that I did not eat crap in there. I almost fell like 6 times. So we just got done with the Dragon's Den, and it kind of like spits you out of the castle. So we had to come back into the castle, go back up the hill, and now we're going to the Crown Treasury and Armory.
Yay.
Alright, so we are done with Wawel Castle for the day, and now we're gonna go ahead and get some burgers.
Yay.
We are in the Rynok Underground Krakow Museum, which is a hologram interactive museum with a lot of different exhibits about Krakow, about the ages.
We just finished the museum underground. It's really awesome. Got to see the cloth hall. But now we're going to walk around a little bit Krakow and kind of see what else it has to offer.
We stopped at a little market, and they sell a bunch of cool, like little unique souvenirs and gifts, and they also have food at the end. So I got some vegetables, and Christian got some
Sausage bread.
sausage bread.
We got chocolate-covered grapes and chocolate-covered strawberries. Yes.
I don't think we've ever had a chocolate-covered grape before. Is that
Nope.
these?
Yep. And I'm gonna bite
Do you
into it
wanna-
first.
Okay, go for it.
I'll do the initial test.
Do it.
Oh my god. There's chocolate-covered grapes.
Strawberries up there.
I recommend it.
We are at the barbecue currently.
And it's part of the city defense route.
Alright, we are on the city defense walls around Krakow, which was built around 1400. It's very, very old. Very long path around what used to be old Krakow. On the left here, outside this window, is actually outside of the city back in the day, and this would be inside the city.
We are done with the city defense walls and the Barbican, and now we're going to make our way down Florianska Street towards St. Mary's Basilica.
Yay!
I love this church. I'm so excited.
So currently there is construction going on.
I have a picture from last year that I took when the altar wasn't being, what's the word, like?
Altered.
Altered.
Renovating.
Renovating it, yeah, so that it can be in here for many years to come. But yeah, I'll put a picture.